On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have liftoff. Just left the CF stream. Oh no, don't let him know that. What's going on? You absolute, beautiful, gorgeous, lovely queens and kings of the crypto world. How are we all doing? Should I put some dang clothes on? It's warm out, man. It's warm out in Canada. It's 32 degrees in Canada. This is like crazy. Crazy. It's warm out. I got you guys. I was just helping out on Trading Wars. Shout out to our friend Tradefly. He won over there. Congratulations to him. Bravo, bravo. We love seeing our friends win. Okay, we love seeing our friends win. That's always important. How are we all doing today? Happy Monday. Monday seems like we were preparing for a pump. Did we say we were going to pump Sunday into Monday? I think we said that last week. I think we said that. It's beautiful, sunny, and 86 here. Is that Fahrenheit? I think if it was centigrade, 86 to... Yeah, so that's 30. Yeah. Yeah. So we are 89. No, are we 90? We are 90 Fahrenheit for all of our beautiful beautiful friends over here. So it's warm. It's hot. It's hot like you guys, man. It's hot like you guys. And it's crazy. It's good to be here. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. You could be anywhere, but you're here with me. So we got a lot of things to go over. And, up or down. Up or down. I mean, Sniper's Nightmare's in a short. Right? Up or down, doesn't matter. Upside down all around me. Man, oh man, oh man. Please tell me you longed was the question. We got yeah, nah. I don't like free money. Big time FOMO. Oh, no. Guys, no FOMO, man. No FOMO. It's okay. There's going to be lots and lots and lots of moves, okay? the markets don't sleep. So sometimes not trading is a profitable trade, right? Conserving our capital, using it to deploy at the right time. And that's what we can hopefully strive to do here. Let me get this other light on me so I look a little bit prettier for you guys. Whew. Oh. My blue light glasses. I've been on the screens a lot today, guys. On the screens a lot, and Mrs. Otter was nice enough to get me some blue light glasses. All right, so are you guys? We're doing a poll here off the get-go. So we'll end this poll. Okay, we'll end this one. We'll pop out the chat. We'll throw the chat over here because you guys are amazing. We'll shout out you guys all over here. Let's get that chat pumping a little bit harder, okay? What's going on? THC, Zaldana, Luke, what's going on? B Team Crypto, what's going on? Alexandra, G, Keto RXD, what's going on? Good to see you guys all here supporting the channel. We see some otters in the chat. Let's go. Sniper's Nightmare. Zep, what's going on? Post is in the chat. Otter gang. Yorm Besser, Otter gang, man. Caffeinated Crypto, what's going on, you guys? Good to see you guys. My God, always helping out in the chat. So I want to know, are you 1, are you 2, or are you 3? Okay? We got number 1. Number 1. This is, you've been trading meme coins for a few months, but you're still not a millionaire. Number 2. Number 2, okay? We got how people with $200 in crypto watch the market pump. It's like this guy, bro, my bags are flying. And then number 3, realizing I should have bought Bitcoin in 2009 instead of being in the 6th grade. I was 19, entering college in 2009. 19, man. 19, 2009. L. Jones says 3. 2. A lot of 2s here. Watching your bags go wild, eh? Have you guys been trading meme coins at all? Oh, man. So you can see Bitcoin's on a little bit of a tear. Okay. Number 4 is that you're just happy to be here in your Otter gang, right? All set in mind is first sat in college. That's awesome. I got wrecked. Where were you in 2009, my friends? I had graduated high school. Okay. I was heading to school for marketing, and I was partying like an animal. That's where I was, driving my little green Toyota Corolla. In a horrible relationship. All those things, you know what I mean? Oh, man. So Bitcoin on a tear today, right? On a tear today, my friends. Good to see you guys. Let's get into the charts a little bit. We're going to do top-down analysis. And then if you guys want to throw in your altcoins now, okay, we got 40 viewers in here and only 14 likes. So if you guys smash those like buttons up, press those thumbs up, and throw your altcoins down below. And I think I saw B Team Crypto suggested you wanted to count up the altcoins. Luke Bailey, welcome to the Otter Gang. Welcome to Baby Otter. Welcome, Luke. Awesome to have you here. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. It means the world to me. So, I got long here, and then I got long here, and then I got long here, and I made a lot of money today. And that's the end of the story. Okay? I could have held this long here, but you know, scalp in the morning, 8:30, coming in. Very nice. I could have got long here, but what happened, Mrs. Otter? You ruined it. You wanted to go for a walk. So I had to exit my trade. I didn't have to exit it. But I did. So that I wouldn't have to check the charts. Mrs. Otter's looking awfully pregnant. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Oh, it's my baby. Ah. Baby Otter's on the way. Look, Luke Bailey joined the Baby Otter group. That's the membership. Baby Otter, that's the low membership. Yeah. Welcome to the Otter gang, Luke. Ah, Mrs. Otter. Ah. That's good, yeah. Thank you. You're the best. Ah, Mrs. Otter coming through. And then yesterday I was golfing. This is only 3 months old, okay? I got Bitcoin grips on my golf clubs. $800 golf club. Broken. Look at this thing. Snapped. Because I got pure power. Okay? Pure power. Anyways, if they don't give me a free golf club, we're gonna have to spam them as the Otter Gang. So multiple ideas, multiple trade setups. Discord's firing off like crazy. I gave you guys some levels this morning. We were looking for a bounce. We didn't get down to any of these levels this morning. We just bounced from here, and we have continued onwards and upwards, ascending triangle pushing, okay? We weren't fully prepared for this pump, but Kyle gave you guys the setup as well. So massive trade setups given in advance. Everybody crushing it. Amazing to see. Okay, Lunar Beaches giving you guys trade setups, trade ideas, crushing it. Amazing to see. Okay, Schaefer is still buying a house, but he's busy, and he's still managing to give you updates. Brewberry giving you updates, okay? Amazing, amazing Discord, guys. Thank you guys for being a part of it. You can see even Post is doing 720s, Tony Hawk style. Jar Jar Banks. People winning. That's what matters. Is we're a bunch of winners. Nobody got time for losing in this market. Up, down, all around, we'd be making money. So, good job, gang. Very, very good. Good to see. I did a little bit longer of a morning update this morning, so hopefully you guys caught that. So, what did we establish this morning? We established that, weekly candle looks really bullish, right? Did we get those altcoins counted up, my man? I'm just waiting to see if we need to pin them down below. What's going on, Chase? I mean, French Toasters in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. What's going on, Melissa? Aw, we got all the ladies coming through today. Maybe I should put a shirt on. But Bitcoin looking like it wants to continue onwards and upwards, okay? Where is this resistance coming in? Okay, that's kind of key resistance and targets for altcoins, right? Key resistance for Bitcoin, and making sure that we're prepared as a community. It's Monday. It's early. So what's the first thing I do when I start the week? I always check the economic calendar, making sure that I am prepared for the week, taking a look at what's coming through, right? Canadian inflation rate. Be careful, okay? I'm kidding, okay? Us Canadians, we don't really have much say. Justin Trudeau seems to think so, but we will stay away from that. That's a bad discussion to have, okay? So FOMC, Wednesday. We'll probably tune into Tom Crown during the FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Nonetheless, it's a pretty free week. We got durable goods at the end on Friday, but nonetheless, let's make some money. That's what it's suggesting. And we have had a nice bounce, okay? A nice bounce. Going back over to Bitcoin, we have this breakout continuation, right? So you can see here, simple push. Look at this guy, TradeFly. We already shouted you out, man, but TradeFly in the chat, the absolute man, the myth, the legend, the champion, TradeFly. My brother, my twin. If you're not following TradeFly, then go over and follow my man, Mr. TradeFly here. Congratulations, man. I love seeing you win, man. I love seeing you win, bro. Let's get some airplanes. Let's get some airplanes in the chat for my brother. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. No, it's well earned, man. It's well earned. You showed up. You crushed it. Congratulations, man. Your family, bro. I love you, man. Good job. Jorn Besser. He's doing the list today. I'm pinning it. The number one thing to look at, guys, because here at the Auto Gang we're quite kind, right? We don't put up with no bullshit. We're kind, we're giving, we share ideas, and we try to work together to make money, right? Is look how people behave when you win, right? Look at how people behave when you win, right? Are they cheering or are they jealous? Are they guilt? You know, keep your friends close, right? Keep your enemies closer, but also know that, you know, watch who's in your corner, right? Watch who's in your corner. And hopefully, you know, in our Discord, you can see, you know, I saw some really kind words in our Discord of people like talking about other Discords and stuff like that, and how, you know, this is a very good community and a kind community. And I'm cheering for you guys all the time, man. I'm cheering for you guys all the time. I love seeing you guys win. I love when you're new and you ask questions, and I get to hopefully help get you on that parabolic learning curve for your trading. And that's what it's all about, man. So congratulations, TradeFly. Great work, man. I know it's not easy. And that exchange, that's why I didn't share the CoinW exchange with the Otter Gang, because it was a bit it was shit. Let's put it that way. Call it what it is. If you would like to support the channel, we do have a BloFin over here, which is one of our exchanges that we use. I use BINGX and BloFin, okay? And we have tested it. We have reps, all that good stuff, okay? That's what you want. That's what you want, okay? Extra shit, yeah. Look at that transition, okay? This is a transition into the not so much shill, but you need an exchange to trade on. I use these ones. You should try them yourselves, okay? And that's the way the cookie crumbles, as Bruce Almighty would say, okay? Now we can talk shit about that horrible exchange. Oh, man. So, weekly candle print, weekly posturing to the upside, weekly looking not so weak after all, okay? I got a book of dad jokes. A book. Let me get the book. I'll be right back. While I get the book of dad jokes, okay? We're going to do the TA, okay? It's Monday, guys. It's pumping. All right. All right. I got a book. This is Otter bought me this book, guys. Okay? Okay? Are you ready? So we're going to start from the beginning. What is the best time to go to the dentist? What is the best time to go to the dentist? 2:30. 2:30. 230. 230. Let's go. We're going to keep this close. Oh, man. I got to start practicing, right? I got to start practicing. Hopefully you guys are here for my journey into my fatherhood, 230, man. Oh, it doesn't get much better than that, does it? Does it? Okay, so let's turn off our trend lines. Look at this beautiful, beautiful pump. My God, okay? We saw the beautiful Sunday close. Above here, we said as long as it doesn't get below 63,900, we're engulfing, right? We're engulfing, looking great. Market cipher posturing to the upside. VWAP crossover, very bullish signal, okay? This is beautiful. Okay, we can back test these crossovers when they happen, right? And whenever they happen, they seem to be pretty bullish, okay? I don't have to really tell you. I just show you, okay? So you're getting another one as we speak right now. And each one of these crossovers with green money flow, right, has given us, that 70%, 70%. So if we take from where we're at now, let's take it to where the crossover happened to 70%. Oh, I don't have enough screen space for 70%. We are at $113,000. Oh. Put a 1 in the chat if you want $113,000 Bitcoin. My God, that sounds good. However, time goes by so slowly. So let's wait. Let's wait and try to position ourselves. Let's not get that hopium. It took a while, right? It took a while for these moves to happen. If you look here, if you measure any of these moves, let's go from this one to the high here. That was about 13 bars on the weekly, right? Divided by 4 gives you 3 months, right? Same with here. This one, a lot faster to the top. 6 bars, so a month and a half, okay? So you average that out. Let's say 2 months, okay? Let's say 2 months. We could be looking in 2 months, which aligns with my theory of end of June, early July, right? End of June, early July, where I do believe we start to wee, okay? I need more, says French Toaster. Don't we all? Don't we all? And I have a lot in these assets, and trust me, we all want more. We all want more. However, we prepare as best as we can as a community. So weekly looking great. 3-day looking awesome, okay? VWAP crossover. The thing that I'm looking at here is that as we proceed to give you what you need, we go into Tuesday for our next candle print, which is tomorrow. And this will close bullish. Okay, so for me, I expect this to peak, right? To me, that suggests, though, VWAP being overextended is to flatten out a little bit, okay? A little bit. Flatten out going into the end of the week, okay? Just a little bit. Not extremes, but this is the idea. We want to forecast here, right? We want to give ourselves the best ideas we can possibly in order to give ourselves the best edge within this market, right? So where does it look like we're heading? It looks like we're got this measure move. Who would have thought they didn't fake us out for once, where we actually got the head and shoulders pattern and we didn't get faked out? Who would have thought, eh? Did anybody see this coming perfectly? No. Was everybody talking about it? Yes. But the big sign here is definitely the money flow crossover on the daily, okay? So if I take this measure move and I put this at the end like you typically do, you're looking for $73,000, $72,000, okay? However, patience will truly tell which way this is going to go, right? Look at this. We're going again, baby. We're going again, pushing again. Sheesh. Sheesh. Let's go, man. This is incredible. Incredible, incredible, incredible. We pushing again. So we're talking about key levels, okay? Key levels that we are looking to hit. Well, you just got the extension. So we're looking around this area, right? Let's pull up our levels. Clusterfuck, right? Clusterfuck. You're like, Alex O Crypto, man. What the hell is this shit? We've just... Wow. Let's go. Look at these two candles, man. Back to back. Okay? So... we are just hitting into a key level of resistance, guys. Just now. Does that mean we short it? Hell nah. Don't fight this trend right now. Okay? But we have literally come up into our key level. Look at that. Rejection from our key level. Okay? It's not meaning short it. This is powerful. Okay? This is pushing. Look at it go. Volatility, baby. We back. We back. Is Ethereum breaking out? I just got to check this right now. Oh my God. ETH is going, man. Guys, ETH is breaking out as we speak. This is what I was talking about on Trading Wars. Guys, ETH is breaking out. Let's go. Bye-bye. Sayonara. See you later. Ciao. Arrivederci. Whatever other language you got. Hasta la vista, baby. Let's go, Alexandra. G. Rune. All of the alts. We're back in town, baby. Injective. Beam. Even Matic is pumping. Solana back up to these highs. My God, what a time to be in crypto. But and then Mike comes in and goes, "What about XRP?" And this is why we love this community. XRP to the moon. I bet you Seymour Liddy's in an absolute banger of a long. Let's go. Retro Mike Tech. XRP to the moon, baby. They are approving the ETF for ETH, MODT, like my otter brothers. It's mooning. Everything is breaking out. Yeah, that's pretty amazing, man. What a time to be in the crypto space. Just when we all thought everything was going to die. Look at that. Look at that. Incredible, incredible move across the board. SEC decide. Okay, so the SEC, this is just in. I think this is 4 hours ago. Okay, the fate of the much anticipated spot ETH hangs in the balance with decision by the SEC in 3 days. Okay, so this isn't it. This isn't it. But it is that decision, right? It is that decision that is bullish. That's the only thing I have here on Crypto Panic. Is the SEC is here to decide, right? Here to decide. If you don't have it, I typically go to Crypto Panic. It's pretty good here. And you can see what's trending on the right-hand side here. So cryptopanic.com. And you can see anything that's really trending. So SEC to decide on spot Ethereum. You can see the big one down here. SEC to decide on Ethereum, right? So this is the one. I think August, if anything, because that's when BlackRock has their ETF filing for. But you know me, I don't trade the news. I trade the charts. So ETH breaking out. Beautiful, beautiful move nonetheless. They flipped their opinion because Biden needs help. That's interesting. That's interesting. You guys are yelling at me to go to Discord to tell me something. You better not be... Okay, here we go. Thank you. See, this is why we have community, guys. Eric Balchunas update. Jay Safeart. These are the ETF analysts. And I are increasing our odds to the spot Ether ETF approval to 75% up from 25. Hearing chatter this afternoon that the SEC could be doing a 180 on this increasingly political issue. So now everyone's scrambling, like us, like everyone else assumed they'd be denied. See Nate's tweet below for probability order of events. But again, we are capping at 75% until we see more EG example filing updates. Okay. Woo-wee. Thank you, Besser, for sharing that with the community. So how bullish are you? Can you dig it, sucker? Let's go. Ethereum to the moon. Wow. Is that bearish for Bitcoin? I don't think so. I think that's positive for the entire market and will ripple through and affect everything, okay? But things, ETH ecosystem, you look at Optimism, you look at Arbitrum, you look at Matic, we are getting those moves, okay? Let's go and look at Bitcoin dominance for our friend L. Jones. Dominance falling off the friggin' planet. Look at this, guys. Sorry, Benjamin Cowan. This is looking good, my friends. Breaking news. Ethereum. Guess what? Joe Biden might want to fight back with Trump's bullishness. And he might. Imagine he fired Gary Gensler. Imagine. Oh, man. Crazy. Crazy. So Bitcoin continues to push on the bullish news. Ethereum pushing massively here. You can see Ethereum. Sheesh. 10% pump, guys. Do not chase price. Do not chase price. Unless you want to be a degen, okay? Unless you want to be a degen. But I would not suggest chasing price. I would be patient. Wild. Wild, wild times. Bye, Bitcoin dominance. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ciao. Arrivederci. You gotta love a nice little pump, says Dominic Krugerl. Time to pay off the beach farm, yeah? Don't forget to take profits, my friends. Don't forget to take profits, okay? Beautiful, beautiful move, guys. Bitcoin on a tear, flying off the handle. $69,750 for Bitcoin. Where will it stop? Nobody knows. We just got massive bullish news. Ethereum ETFs could be approved sooner rather than later. My guys, okay? This is looking good. Sheesh, I love, man, all this public chatter of ETFs. Guys, if you're in this long, don't forget to take profits, man. Whew. 70,000 Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. My God. Let's go. Push it. Push it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. This is incredible, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got 90 people here and only 40 likes. Let's smash those like buttons. We have just got a possible ETH ETF update, pushing the price out, breaking out of this massive downwards wedge here on Ether. Pay yourselves, getting up to $3,400 on Ethereum. Wow, what a day to be in crypto, guys. You're hearing it here live with Alex O Crypto. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang, 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 gang. 30-second chart, Ethereum. Whew. Let's go. Flag pump, flag pump. You got the massive move. Flag. Let's see if we get the pump. Let's see if we got some levels for you guys here on Ethereum.
What you know about juice? Making them moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck.
So we've come up to key resistance, $3,424.
They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB.
Don't look at me for the TRB.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.
We back, baby. Okay, so ETH coming up to key levels. Remember, if you want to take advantage of this price action on Ethereum, Optimism, Arbitrum, great options, okay? All of them breaking out right now. You can also look at other things like Gala's breaking out right now. Okay, so a lot of things are breaking out right now. You can see Bitcoin on its way up, $70,000 Bitcoin. We are back, baby. You can see the volatility index here. Ethereum, Ethereum, Ethereum. Okay, guys, look at ETH. ETH has exploded, okay? Exploded. Super, I was saying super on Crypto Wars, this thing coiling up, looking for a big move, continuation on super. Rune pushing onwards and upwards, breaking out. Everything is pushing through this key level of resistance. What's going on? Jimmy in the chat. He says, someone say Gala? I'm buying. Look at this, Gala to the moon. Absolute pump. Good to see you, Jimmy. Hope you're doing well, my man. Wonderful day for the crypto world. Bitcoin tickling $70,000. We got an altcoin list here, guys. First, let's finish off the Bitcoin analysis. We took a little bit of a brief pause here for the beautiful, beautiful price action, and hopefully we can look for this to continue onwards and upwards, guys. This is a great day to be in the markets. Look at this. We continue to push. Now, looking at this daily, bouncing off the zero line, very bullish. Also with the money flow crossing over, this long-term oscillator of money flow coming into the green is very bullish in my opinion. If we can continue to march onwards and upwards, you've seen what it does when it does this, okay? So looking for this to continue on its way onwards and upwards for the Bitcoin price. Short-term time frames, we have ripped today. Bullish news across the board, okay? We're going to keep our eyes on ETH because it has absolutely smashed through its key level of resistance at $3,300 and blasted right out of this wedge and continues to push up on the news that we might be getting an ETH ETF sooner rather than later, which is bullish, right? Joe Biden's administration, they're going to want to fight back when they've seen what all the support Trump gets when he says, okay, we might want to push for some crypto adoption. It's very, very interesting to see. This is what we want. We don't want just Trump saying get crypto. We want both sides being like, we're going to do it better than you. And the more they do, the more they butt heads and compete for our crypto vote. Because don't get it twisted. I was listening to a podcast and like 30-40% of voters, young voters, and you guys are young and beautiful too, care about crypto voting. And it's going to make a big, big difference in this political issues, okay? It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. When the chips fall, Bitcoin will come out on top. And that's why I hold 60% Bitcoin. I like that thinking, HODL crypto. But a massive move here on Ethereum. Let's get back to the Bitcoin top-down analysis, pushing onwards and upwards. Just that psychological 70,000. Now, what's important about this push right now is that we have three real defined levels of volume here, okay? 3 defined levels. So we take a fixed range volume profile, and you can see we have one here, okay? Here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3, okay? So we have 3 really defined volume areas, okay? So how do we trade within these areas? Well, we want to extract as much data from this price action as possible, right? Support and resistance, all that good stuff. So what you can do is literally take your fixed range volume profile and pull it within that area. Where do we see the most of this price action? Well, it's from between here and here, right? So I'm extrapolating this area, leaving out some of this stuff because I want to focus in on this area within here. We can pull this up and we can see that we have some key levels. Look, we're banging our heads on the 70,000 psychological little node of volume here, which is actually the key level of support for us to get above, right? So if we are to get above here, we need to hold this level that we're at right now as support. So this is an amazing push for Bitcoin, but we need to hold this in order to not fall back down to our level down below, which would be this box down here. So you can see we tend to stick, right? We will chop within here, right? Then we'll push out aggressively between the gaps here. You can see the aggressive moves between the gaps here, the aggressive move between the gap, right? So we want to hold here. Otherwise, we look to trickle back down to the top of this gap. Now, it's great to see a resistance and support flip within this area. So that means we could retest this and then continue. But right now with the bullish momentum, holding this area, flagging out with continuation would be the best, in my opinion, okay? Looking at the 12-hour, all of a sudden, we were looking a little bit bearish where we were curling over here on the 12-hour. Money is very choppy, and you can see we were falling over. However, we got a green dot after this massive news suggesting the breakout and the push-up. Okay? Very, very nice move throughout the industry. Have you guys clicked the like button? It's free, says Alexandra G. And if you're new here, thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. We're here live every Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we do a morning update video, and we have a free Discord, and we have the best community in all of crypto. And I don't even gotta say, I know they're all good, but you know, this is the one, man. This is the one. I ain't got to say anything else more on that topic. Okay, so now getting into where we're at, where we can continue. So we want to hold, right? We want to hold. So our key levels right now, we need to hold 69,000, okay? That's our line in the sand. Holding 69,000, continuing to push up, getting above, that 70,000, oscillating within this range between 69,000 and 72,000, okay? That's going to be the range that we want to get stuck in, okay? We want to be trading within here, maybe a nice little bull flag, right? And then a kaboom, another one, okay? Another one, like DJ Khaled, So nice. We've broken out of this massive level of resistance. Okay, we had massive resistance at 67,000. This was our point of control for so long. We are now having our point of control down below here, which is our naked point of control because price hasn't returned to it. But right now we are looking for the parabolic continuation of this uptrend. Okay. How do we track it, you may ask? How do you track it? Well, right now we have a long trend line tracking the bottom here. Okay, so draw this trend line down below, track the price this way. We could always consolidate before heading up yet again. Okay? We can now track this one here because we have a confirmed low. So I will pull the low here. You can see where I've pulled the trend line, and I will pull it back to this trend line here. And we now can extend this one up like that. Okay, so you can see how you have almost like a fan of trend lines that act as support. Okay, if you lose this one, then you go back to test this one, kind of deal. And this is how we track a stop loss, how we track momentum to the upside and use that to our advantage. We're not necessarily looking for the trades. We're looking them to track our price action to help us make more money, right? And to take away that FOMO, okay? 10-second TAs coming up next. Giving free top-tier infos. Shows support for this man, folks. Like and comment. Says Rokinos. Much love to you, man. Thank you for being so active in our Discord. I've seen you around, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate it. So many of you guys, man. Luke Saldana. Oh, man. Jimmy coming through. L. Jones. Retro Mike Tech. Alexander G. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Scott. Dominic. All Set. Huddle Crypto. B-Team Crypto. Jorn Besser. You know, you guys mean the world to me, man. I appreciate you guys. Huddle Crypto. Much love. Otter gang, gang, gang. I'm just here yelling at a box for you guys, okay? Trying to bring you guys as much alpha as possible in a short segment of time, okay? So for this, let the dust settle. Yo, Alex, look at Ethan teleported, said Bully Berry. Oh, man. Absolutely. ETH is on an absolute tear, getting the bullish news. Massive breaking Bloomberg analysts. Here we go, guys. Here it is. New news coming out. Breaking. Bloomberg analysts who previously said it was impossible gave the good news. Ethereum spot ETFs may be approved in the coming days. Guys, Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas stated in his statement that they had received some information about Ethereum spot ETFs and that they reduced their approval probability, which they had previously announced to be 25%, to 75. 75%, guys. Let's get some 75s in the chat. My God, let's go. And you know what? We heard it here first from Jorn Besser. Okay? Jorn Besser, the man, the myth, the legend, coming through with the post. We were early thanks to our community, right? Thank you, Jorn Besser, for keeping us on it, man. Thank you, bro. And that's what I mean. We're traders helping traders. We work together cumulatively to develop an edge together to make money from these markets, right? So what do we do now? How do we trade Ethereum, right? Bullish news, Ethereum, it's going to the moon. Well, you could get into a short-term time frame. You got a triple top here at key level of resistance on Ethereum, but right now, you know you've gotten that massive breakout continuation. You're looking for the flag breakout, right? You could be getting on right as we speak, right? Don't go chasing waterfalls or price action, okay? Massive, massive push. And if you are going to chase, lower your leverage. lower your margin, give yourself a lot more room, okay? Give yourself a lot more room on these trades. Your next key level is right around 3,500, 37, okay? It's your next key level. Be a prepared trader. A prepared trader is a profitable trader, right? So give yourself some extra clearance on a stop loss if you are looking to trade this. 35, 37, our next key target, then 36.83 is the target after that, guys, okay? So keeping you guys updated, keeping you guys real, looking for this to continue to push onwards and upwards on the Ethereum price action. And you can look for the same for continuation on Bitcoin. We're watching dominance drop right now. Nonetheless, we are still bullish on Bitcoin, okay? Because this is positive news for the entire cryptoverse. Much love. Okay, so let's go into the nitty-gritty of Bitcoin. And you can see very much so, it's pumping, baby. It's pumping. So we were prepared this morning for the long trade setup in advance. Okay, so if you are new here, join us in the Discord. We gave you the perfect long setup here. Okay, we were like to the dollar on this one here. If you see here, you go into my TA section here. I gave you this setup here. This was yesterday at 10 a.m. Okay, we were coming up to key resistance. I was looking for the rejection, coming back down to 60, to this key level down below here. Okay, we came down to that key level down below here. Okay, this was at 5 p.m. Okay, and we've continued to rocket ship ever since that, right down here, 65,859. I think we were off by, yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Let me apologize to you guys. We were off by a total of 65,827. Yeah, 829. Yeah, so about $30, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. $30, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now I'm just being an idiot. So we look for the continuation breakout on Bitcoin, okay? This is going to be an interesting level to get above and hold as support. Yeah, Jimmy just pointed that out. 70K, proving to be a steel reinforced brick wall made of unobtainium. That's a dad joke, Jimmy. This is made out of unobtainium. Oh, man. So we're going to get into your favorite altcoins. Guys, sell and may, go away. Hold my beer, man. Sell and may and buy. And go away and buy in May. Because if you bought May 1st, guys. If you bought May 1st, my friends, sell in May and go away. If you guys bought May 1st, hold my mother effing beer. Okay? You're calling the bottom, man. Talk about BS. Okay? Talk about BS. That quarter tank of gas, Alex O'Crypto, $30. Yeah, man. No kidding, man. And that's when they're cheap, man. That's like on a Tuesday night when nobody's driving around and you found that one gas station. Even here in Canada. Isn't that crazy? Sell in May and go away. Okay? And there you have it. There you have it, right? So we're going to go over your favorite altcoins. Bitcoin's ripping. ETH is ripping. Okay? Continuation. Let's see if it does continue to move in that direction. People changing their opinions. Things are looking good. Okay? So let's go and look at our list. We got Phantom, Pendle, Ethereum, ADA, and Rune, okay? If there's anything else you guys would like me to look at, I will definitely look at them. I will write them down as I go. I see Injective so far, and I will continue to check the charts as I go through your favorite altcoins. But first and foremost, we're going to do the list that I've pinned, and then we'll go through that. Paper Planes in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Hope you're doing well. Mad love to you. I've known Paper Planes from Frankie's Discord for almost 2 years now, man. Hope you're doing well, brother. You're a great trader. I remember you crushing that tournament back in the day. Okay, let's go over to FTM. It's in the game. That was my best, NHL. It's in NFL, whatever. It's in the game. Don't sell a May, buy today. Let's go, Mississippi Matt. Crypto Rambo. Yeah, boy, Chaz, what's going on? Gala. I see Gala as well. Okay. Looking at this. So FTM breaking out. Okay. So a lot of things are breaking out. We're going to find our key levels of resistance for these. Okay. Look at the trade setup given in advance on Phantom. Woo-wee, bro. So you can see a lot of the times these trades have worked out. So we've changed it up a little bit. I do the TA on them. We look for key levels. Then we share it in the Discord in our TA section. So if you are able or aren't able to make the live streams, which is unacceptable but acceptable, then you can go into my section of TA on our Discord, and I will post them after I'm done, okay? And you can go and do your own research, because this is not financial advice, but we are here to kind of help guide, okay, along the way. Now, Phantom, coming up to that psychological $1. You got to mark it out because it is there, okay? Now you can see over here we have key levels of support and resistance matched up with volume, okay? And we're going to adjust these accordingly where we got the volume and the key levels as well, and where we see the spikes. So we're looking for a reaction of price along the way so that we can take advantage of price action. Now we've had this massive move up. What are we going to do? We're going to track momentum like we always talk about on this channel. We're going to look for Fibonacci, golden packets, all that good stuff. Momentum to the upside, market cipher B, suggesting higher prices on a lot of these things. Going into the 1 hour, we'll pull the fib from the start of the move to the top of the move. And I'm already looking at continuation from the previous highs. Okay, so look at that 382 bounce currently happening as we speak. Okay, so that is a key level here, matching up with our previous highs. So you can see the previous highs matching up right here. So that is a buy level. However, if we do drop from there, we could be looking at this level down below, which matches up with a key level of support and resistance. So you have two levels here on Phantom that you're looking for a reaction of price within these boxes for continuation to the upside. Your key levels in front of you are going to be as such. $1, 96 cents, okay? 96 cents, $1 and $6. Okay, make sure you are using good risk management with any of these where you are looking to take advantage of this price action, okay? Adding this to our charts and sharing it with the Discord. We're going to fly through this TA as quick as possible, hopefully getting to all your guys' favorite altcoins. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Join us. We would love to have you, as long as you're not a douchebag, as we like to say. We don't need any of that negativity in our amazing, amazing community. Let's jump over to Pendle. Pendle has been very volatile as of late. I mean, guys, look at this. Look at this thing, man. Flying to the upside. Flying. Absolutely flying. They don't give you much of an opportunity. You got the breakout, the retest, and the continuation on Pendle down below. You can see it very simply here where we truly just retested and then ripped, okay? You saw the bottoming here, the breakout, the retest, and then the absolute rip show to the upside. Moving onwards and upwards. We have marked out key levels throughout this throughout these charts. So a lot of things have moved down like this. Okay, a lot of things just down like this, but they had previous high support where they were oscillating before we dropped. Okay, so this is going to be a key level for everything throughout the altcoins to hold. Okay, to hold. But looking at this, 50% moving to the upside. Holy balls, does Alexander. That's the first time we've heard Alexandra G kind of curse, okay? I had to. Okay. And then we'll share it in the Discord because we like to have fun. Oh, it's too good. Holy balls, man. We love you, Alexandra G. Let's see some Alexandra G emojis in the chat. Let's go. Holy balls, man. Oh, man. Too good. Let's go. Holy balls. So Pendle breaking out. We got key levels of support. We have key levels of resistance. We look for the retest and the continuation, okay, on the holy balls of Pendle. So we have this key area. We'll take that off. We will track momentum to the upside, breaking out onwards and upwards. We look for the retest, okay? We look for this retest, and we look to come back up to the naked point of control that's already marked out on our charts. Let's go to the nitty-gritty time frames. Yeah, we could draw this a little bit more accurate, right? So we want to be accurate with our trend lines and momentum. So yeah, we look for this. Sheesh. Holy balls, okay? 70K BTC, 70,000, 70,400. Wow, let's go, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. What a time to be in the crypto space. Are we going to rocket to the moon? Autistic Ponyo AI says, can you check Aerodome? Yeah, of course we can. We'll check it right after Pendle, my man. Thank you so much for the $50 super chat supporting the channel. Holy balls, guys. We're going to have to get a holy balls emoji or something like that. Oh, man. So Pendle, ripping continuation to the upside here. Looking really good nonetheless. I'm just going to wait for the dust to settle with something like this on Pendle, man. This is insane. Like I said, you can always create the fan where you're looking for the breakout retest continuation on all of this, guys. So all you guys waiting for the 50K dip. Yeah, that's funny. We were never calling the 50K dip. We called 56,650. You can go and find it on the channel. 56,650. I said the lowest we're going is 56,650. And where do we go? 550? We said 56,650. You can call it what you want. We said the daily dynamic reactor right below there at 56,650. Just saying, okay? And we're not bang on perfect all the time, but if you listen here, you pay attention, you do your own research, and you practice good risk management, we're going to help each other win, okay? We're a bunch of winners here. Thank you guys for being here and being part of the family, okay? I appreciate you guys. So Aerodome, tapping out. You have your key levels of support and resistance on the way out, looking for the continuation here, okay? So just keep this, or not Aerodome, Pendle, sorry. We're doing Aerodome next. Looking for this continuation to the upside, targeting the naked point of control. Lots of things are ripping right now, okay? Feeling the FOMO yet, guys? Are you feeling the FOMO? Because this is crazy. Bitcoin dominance dropping. Ethereum almost at 35,000 or 3,500. Sorry. Flying off into outer space. Let's go over to Aerodome. Aero, baby. Much love to every single one of you guys here supporting the channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. And thank you, gals. Thank you, gals. All right. Aerodome on KuCoin? I mean, holy balls, baby. Oh, man. Holy balls. Holy balls, okay? Beautiful buy on Aero. If you bought it, you got it. breaking out. So this is an absolute banger of a 14% candle here. You got a lot of room to the upside, right? You got a lot of room to the upside. Going into the 12-hour breakout here, continuation. I can see a breakout of this downtrend from here across here, okay? Nice breakout. Looking for that continue to the upside. RS Miller, what's going on, bro? Hope you're doing well. We're getting a pump here. Things are flying off the absolute handle. ETF news looking bullish. Yeah, so with Arrow right now, getting into like the nitty gritty, you can see you got the pump, the breakout. You're typically looking for the retest continuation, right? If we're going to pull, I thought I had a different chart on Arrow, but let's do this anyways. We'll pull over the volume. You can see very clearly where the support and resistance is matched up with your volume. So right now, this is going to be your key level to get above. This is clearly the big node of volume, right? So you need to get above 113. Okay, that's going to be the big papa. Then we go over to our 4-hour. Let's isolate the price a little bit better. And where are our targets? So looking at this objectively, this level right here is going to be the key level for us to get onwards and upwards and above. And that comes in at $1.50, okay? That's going to be the massive level. Breakout here, retest continuation is how I would look to trade something like this, where price comes back down to the trend line. You practice some pretty good risk management, and you can look for low leverage swing trading to get backward, onwards, and upwards on Aerodome, okay? This is looking quite incredible. Looking at the 4-hour, you can see you got your continuation here on money flow. So you look for money to continue to push into the markets and continue its onwards and upwards way. We got 83 likes in here. Let's get those likes up to 100, guys. We'll be giving away some money at the end of the week. On Friday, we're going to do a giveaway for all you guys supporting the channel, and hopefully we can help support you guys on your crypto journey. Okay? Looking at this push onwards and upwards, getting a little bit of a rejection here on the short term. I will look for the retest on Arrow and that continuation. Let me see if there is another Arrow coin chart that I had charted already. I don't think there is, but I'm going to double check. Because I did have, maybe I did it straight up on Coinbase. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay, so breaking out of this, that was our buy level. Okay. Yeah, so very similar type of pattern. Breaking out here, pushing onwards and upwards, getting out of this downtrend. That key level 136. Continuation on Arrow, pushing onwards and upwards here. Okay, you can track this momentum here as well. So I would track this upwards trend line. For me, a close above here is going to be indicative of continuation as well, right? Then you can look for that retest. So once you close a candle above here, you can look for the retrace, retest, and that continuation onwards and upwards, okay? Arrow, looking strong. Looking strong. Hopefully that helps you. You got your key levels. Give it in advance. Here you go. Again, let's take a look here. So you really want to see Arrow, stay above this area right here around $1.03, okay? And that psychological $1 is also going to be your massive support. Much love to you, Ponyo AI, man. My brother. Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's go over to our beautiful friend, Injective. Injective. Massive breakout for Injective. Okay, so I've been looking at Injective quite extensively, breaking down here, getting this beautiful buy signal that we gave in advance last week. We gave this right here. Oh, man, did it bang. Oh, this is beautiful. So you can see here, breakout, retest, coming back into our level. And whew, my God, look at this setup in advance. We gave that long setup. I remember it clearly because I am an Injective bull, okay? I am biased. I have a lot of Injective, okay? But this is looking pretty incredible, pushing onwards and upwards. Where are we looking for Injective to get above? And that's $32, okay? Injective needs to get above $32 for it to continue to be continue to trade sideways and upwards. Okay, you're getting the beautiful double bottom push onwards and upwards. I would expect a rejection from 32 and the continuation from there. Okay, so looking at this, almost looks like an Adam and Eve pattern to the upside. Nonetheless, money's coming back in. We got the bullish momentum here on the daily anchor trigger. Looking good nonetheless. Let's go over to the 4 hour. Same thing, continuation to the upside. If we're looking to get into this, where are we looking to possibly take advantage of this? So we have our upwards trend line here pushing us up. I would simply pull fixed range volume profile within this area, and I would try to align, a level with the highs here. So you can see there's a massive plateau of volume right here around $25. Okay, that doesn't mean we necessarily come down to it, but if we do tend to retest highs, that would be one as well. And then you can see highs coming in here as well for that retest. So you have 3 possible areas that I am looking for potential longs, okay? One here and one here if we do come back down, okay? And you want to just match these simply up with your key levels with good risk management across the board, okay? That's what we do here is we manage our risk. We put probabilities in our favor, market cipher B, continuation to the upside. So multiple ideas here on Injective for a return, depending on how quick we return and we bounce off of this massive pump. Now, will it give us that opportunity? We'll have to wait and find out, right? But we need to be very... What's an Adam and Eve pattern? Just wondering. Well, Google is a great friend, okay? So it's typically you get the V and then the rounded, and then you break this to the upside. The measured move is the rounded move, okay? Let me pull it up 1 second. Adam and Eve. Hey, Adam and Steve too. We don't hate as long as you're here to be nice and kind. That's what it's all about. All right? Here we go. Adam and Eve pattern. Let's draw it out. So you can see right here. Adam and Eve, not Adam. You guys can finish the sentence. Right? So you get the downwards triangle and then the rounded bottom, the breakout, retest, continuation. Your typical measured move is right here, right? To the upside, right? So that's an Adam and Eve, if you're wondering what I was talking about there. Okay, just so you're aware, right? The first man pattern, right? So looking for that continuation, and you can see them all across the plate. They're very, very common. I mean, you can have them in both directions too. So you can have it rounded like this, right? And that's a downwards trend one. So, you know, just things to know. Just things to know. Okay. Let's go over to Jasmine. Let's share this in the Discord as well. And if you're new here, thank you for being here. We got 125 people here. Let's get those likes up. We need 6 more to get to 100 likes. It's been a while, guys. The stream hasn't died off, but you can tell that people were getting bearish. Okay, people were getting bearish. Therefore, the amount of people tuning in died down, which is normal. But it's nice to see it picking up a little bit here, growing the Otter Gang, growing the Familia across the charts. Okay, let's go over to Gala, my friend Jimmy. Jimmy in the chat, always supporting the channel. Thank you, bro, for being around, always checking in on us, keeping us straight. Looking at Gala, we had a couple of buy levels here. As you can see, point of control pushing onwards and upwards. Pretty big rejection. Okay, pretty big rejection. Are we getting a big rejection across the board right now? Okay. Could be. Could be a rejection. Remember, I said don't chase price. They're not going to make it easy. Okay, they're going to come back and grab us. They'll be coming back for you. So remember, we're looking at 69,100 as support. Okay, so a lot of things. Hopium. Remember to pay yourselves, guys. Remember to pay yourselves. Going over to Gala, big rejection here. Big wick all the way up to almost 5 cents. No, not all the way to 5 cents. 4.8 cents, okay? But you can see Gala in a very aggressive downtrend. Flagging out, we want to see the continuation to the upside on Gala, okay? Nice breakout, but very aggressive dump back on. So this is why we say don't chase price, right? It's to protect you as a trader, right? If you're not in it already, probably too late. Probably too late. So take profits along the way as well, right? You're not going to necessarily get these perfect entries, right? And the retest is where it's at, man. The retest has paid me many a times. Okay, so looking at Gala, we look for the continuation here, wicking out, getting up and above 4.8 cents. We have a key level here at 4.65 cents that I am looking for that continuation. Let's see if Gala can hold, pulling up our fixed range volume profile within this area here, just to get a better idea. I'm pretty sure we're coming down back to retest. Yeah, it's very square. So whenever volume is flat like this, so typically we're looking for spikes within this price action, right? And we're looking for the price to get stopped out at these spikes. When it's fat, all that I mean is that it's fat. So you got a very big block, which suggests choppy price action, right? Very hard to trade price action when it's moving like this, right? So for me right now, patience will pay. Look for the retest continuation. Okay, let's go into the short-term time frame. Looking at Gala. Whew. All the way back down to the 618, it looks like. So pull in here, swing low to swing high, start of the move. 618 retest continuation. Let's see if it bounces from here and holds. Okay, that would be nice for Gala, and the continuation all the way back up to our key level of resistance, and that is coming in right around 5 cents. That psychological 5 cents. Okay, so keeping your eyes peeled, but nonetheless, let's not chase price, guys. Let's not chase price. Let's be patient. Patient is profitable. Okay, 100 likes. Let's go. Much love to every single one of you guys, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you for supporting this stream, supporting me, helping me support you guys. It means the world to me. Ethereum continues to not only bounce but rip. Okay, big ETH news. Can it continue to move onwards and upwards? Much love to every single one of you guys tuning in, supporting the channel. It means the world to me. Let's go over to FIL. FIL, USDT. Filecoin. I believe so. Look at all the Otter gang in here. Blockchain Brett. What's going on, bro? B Team Crypto. French Toaster. Zep. Patience. Danielson. Have strong root like bonsai. I had a mini bonsai when I lived in Australia. And then I had to give it up because we moved. However, FIL, holy. Okay, finding that support. Patience is key with the XRP. Don't look at me for the TRB. Man, we're a poet and we didn't even know it. Okay, looking at the price action here, massive push up. Okay, we're going to see this across the board. So typically what I'm looking at, all across the board on all your favorite assets, I'm looking for the retest of previous highs, okay? So I'm looking for this area right here, okay? I'm looking for the retest before continuation. I took this trade today on Bitcoin, and I will take it on so many other tokens. What do I mean? You took it on Bitcoin today. So you look at Bitcoin's price action today. Where do we get long? Well, we got long off of the top here, where Bitcoin, Bitcoin was making this beautiful top here. Okay, you can see it right here. Short-term time frames, we're on the 3-minute here. But you can see the triple top here, right? And I got receipts. If you need to see the receipts, they're there. You see the breakout and then the retest of the previous highs. Where's your highs? Right here, right? You get long here with confirmation. What's your confirmation? You got money flow crossing over, pushing to the upside, right? You got bullish divergence down here. Lower lows, higher highs. Lower lows, higher highs. Continuation. Money coming in, okay? Higher high created, breaking the structure to the upside. No longer lower lows, but a higher high. Reversal. Coming into retest the highs with money crossing over with bullish divergence, suggesting continuation. Okay? It's that simple. But you got to know what to look for, guys. And that's why we're here trying to teach you guys how to fish. So I don't got to fish for you, right? I got lots of fish to feed you guys with. But we need to all work together to feed the colony of otters because we hungry, man. We hungry, okay? So we look to continue to grow. So what do we look for? Longer term time frame. No difference, right? Luke Bailey with the €10 super chat. Let's celebrate their first super on a live stream. Luke Bailey, thank you so much for your support. My man, I'm going to put an LB. I got LBCs, but Luke Bailey, thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. LB and the place to be. God bless you, bro. Hopefully we can help grow and help you learn and help you make lots of money. That's what we're all about here. Money and profit is not a bad word, as Billy Goat Tails says. Billy says, you know, that British pound, not euro. I couldn't see it. Man, he's paying in pounds, man. That's Mrs. Otter money. If you didn't know, my missus she's from the UK, so you're supporting another UK member. she's gonna slap me for that horrible British accent. I'd be taking the piss. I lived in the UK for 2 years, so I am Commonwealth as they come. Much love to you, my friend. Thank you for supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. So FIL overextended, man. Overextended. So retest of the previous highs. Let's see if it does it. Okay. Tracking momentum here. That would be like a 382 bounce. We're waiting for topping signals and continuation signals. So topping being like double tops coming back down, right? This would be the start of maybe a flag and then the continuation onwards and upwards where we can look to take advantage of the price, okay? Right now, we're not chasing this, right? Chasing this means you're going to go broke. We want to wait for our A-plus setups. We want to be patient with these things. So overextended on market cipher coming back. Let's look for the retest within these key areas here, where you can look to take advantage of the price action at 597. And then if you lose that, you're coming back down to 584. Okay. And make sure you're using good risk management. Okay. Going over to Avalanche, guys. We're going off the top now. If there's anything else you guys want me to look at, I'm going to look at them right now. Okay. We're going to go through them quickly and then we're going to get out of here. Okay. Looking at AVAX, massive push, guys. Okay, love AVAX. Beam took off really well today. Super, same thing. Okay, Super breaking out. Gala rejected, but Beam, another GameFi token. Okay, under my movers here, you can see Beam has pushed up extensively, which is on AVAX. AVAX coming up to the all-time highs here. So this is looking good nonetheless for AVAX. AVAX has really chopped sideways and has been stuck below $42. Okay, so we look for AVAX to eventually get its breakout. So we look for the breakout, retest, continuation. So that would be out of this key level here. Can we do it? We'll have to wait and find out, right? Bullish news, obviously a catalyst right now. We look for this continuation. Let's go into the 1 hour. Beautiful continuation here, pushing onwards and upwards. Where are we going to look, guys? Retest of the previous highs, right? Retest of the previous highs. We look for that retest continuation, right? Getting above $39.40 is going to be the big roadblock for now. And then getting up to $42, $43 is the next one in front of us. So let's see if that continues onwards and upwards. You can see, though, bullish momentum coming through on the daily here. Okay? Going over to HBAR. I saw HBAR earlier. Okay? Do I have HBAR in here? So HBARbarians. Let's go. Blockchain backer. Oh, man. Oops, I skipped off of it. So ascending triangle, looking for the breakout on HBAR. Could be a possible good trade opportunity here. I keep pressing Control Z too many times. HBAR is in this beautiful momentum, as you can see right now. So this is actually quite beautiful. Just like all of you utterly degens in this stream, man. You guys are all beautiful people. Thank you guys for being so kind and supporting the channel. But yeah, beautiful ascending triangle, clear resistance, right? Clear resistance here, right around 11.7 cents. Okay? You can see that as clear as day. So what's the order of operations here? We're looking for that breakout retest, right? Breakout retest on HBAR would be crucial, right? And continuation. Otherwise, you look for what? The retest back down to this trend line and continuation onwards and upwards. You still got room on this momentum wave here. Let's go into your 4 hour. 4 hour momentum to the upside. Money flow crossover looking good. Getting a rejection from that key level that we just identified. Okay. So coming back down, pushing back up, something like this in the favor as long as we continue to push onwards and upwards on the Bitcoin price and the rest of the altcoins. Okay. Otherwise, you look for a rejection. You can also track on HBAR right here. So draw this downwards trend line. And as you continue sideways, you can look for that breakout and continuation that way as well, okay? If you do lose this level, you look for the swing failure pattern, right? So you'll look for maybe something like this. Higher highs, lower low, right? And that bullish divergence pushing it onwards and upwards. Going over to Myro. Myro is the Solana dog that the owner's dog, I believe, passed away. Beautiful bear flag, okay? So you'd expect a rejection from here. But nonetheless, if you break out of this, continue to the upside. You have that 19-cent key level looking to get above, okay? Myro, one of the memes, quite suppressed in comparison to the other ones, okay? You can see this. You want to be careful, though, because it looks as though you still haven't broken out of this downwards trend line. Okay? So let's see if that does break out and push onwards and upwards. That, to me, would be quite a bullish move to get, back up and trading within this area here. That is, well, it won't measure for me. A nice 40% move. Meme coins popping off, right? Very interesting to see. Going over to XRP quickly. XRP had this bullish move in this downwards triangle, trying to get above that 54 cents, man. 54 to 57 cents. 57 was our sell wall. It has been perfect since we've drawn it. So I'm sticking with that until we get above there and push. We are looking for a rejection there. We have this downwards trend line. Let's see if we can get up to it and break out. That's around 54 cents. That we're looking for XRP. We got bullish continuation, money flow crossing over, looking okay on the daily, but nonetheless it is XRP. Okay, going over to Pepe. You guys are hitting me with all these random tokens for the blast off at the end here. Continuation on Pepe. Okay, I have to say it like a Pepe Le Pew. Continuation. So for me watching this for a double top, right? 4 hour here, suggesting continuation as well. Okay, money coming back in. a nice little trickle down on Pepe, and a breakout. Okay, a nice breakout. Let's pull over our this is price discovery mode. So we can teach price discovery Alexandra G with the skunk emoji. Pepe Le Pew is looking for the Tabernacle breakout to the upside. Retest of the previous highs. I speak French actually pretty well. In Canada, you're pretty much forced to speak French. I was in a extended French class. Like, I understand it pretty well, but speaking it, it's kind of like my vocabulary has diminished over time. But I'm sure if I spent, a couple of months refreshing, I'd be pretty good at it yet again. But I ain't nobody got time for French, man. We got to make money off of the Pepe, okay? This is as French as we're going to get anymore, okay? It's Pepe Le Pew. Okay, so look for that continuation on Pepe here. Retesting of this level right here. I'm not reading that many zeros at this time of the stream and looking to come onwards and upwards. Now, swing high to swing low, you can target the 1618 extension level, okay? Looking very, very good. If you don't use it, you tend to lose it. Oui, monsieur. No, we don't. Not on the West Coast. Yeah, well, West Coast Canada, you guys are amazing. You guys got mountains. And we're jealous. Comme ci, comme ça. We got, okay, a couple more. You guys are getting me good today, man. Mondays and you're making me work overtime. I love it. I love it. I mean, it is truly a privilege to have a community and to work with you guys. I feel like as though we're all equals here, trying to all create a life of freedom for ourselves and our families. And I will work my hardest for you guys as you show up for me, okay? And I will continue to do that as well. So, Velo, looking to break out of this downwards trend line, okay? Pushing onwards and upwards. You have those key levels of resistance. Look for that continuation, guys. And that's, lower lows, pushing up. You really want to see this start establishing higher highs and pushing out of this downwards trend line. That's going to be indicative of a move to the upside. Hello? You're going for a walk. It's really hot out. Just a wee stroll. Okay. Walk safely. I love you. Bye. Mrs. Otter is going for a wee stroll, she said. Okay, we're going to look at Coty. Coty, last but not least. Coty parabolic uptrend, okay? Looking at this, track the momentum. Looking at the daily here, Coty breaking out, pushing onwards and upwards, break out of this downwards trend line, which is good. We want to see this across the board on a lot of things, okay? So higher highs, higher lows, continuation on Coty, looking good. Let's see if we can get above, this area here and this area here, okay? Nice push. Let's see if it can continue. Otherwise, you're looking for the retest of these highs and then the continuation to the upside. Okay, so you got your three levels here on Coty, not Coochie, Coty. Otter Gang, you guys are absolutely incredible. You're from Australia, right? This can't be hot for you. I'm from Canada. I lived in Australia for a year. And I lived in the UK for 2 years. Actually, Scotland 1 year, UK for a year. We did a lap around the earth, me and Mrs. Otter, day trading, living, crushing it, Got to make sure that we're all worldwide. Traveling has been one of the greatest experiences of my life. We are now in Canada, settling down and having a family. So it's pretty exciting. We still love to travel. We're traveling next Sunday, so we will not be here next week because we're going on our baby/honeymoon because we have a baby coming up after our wedding. So I will be filming videos for every day next week, but we won't be going live because it's our vacation and we're going away to the Rocky Mountains. So we're very excited about that. But guys, what a wonderful day. What a wonderful day. Great day for crypto in itself. Bullish as ever, right? Ethereum looking to break out as we speak on a beautiful, beautiful flag. Just don't chase price. Don't FOMO in. Use a stop loss, all those good things. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your evening. I'll see you guys in the Discord, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. Much love. Take care.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. About juice, making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low.